Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Zawaa Bubble Tea updated. Start by brewing a strong black tea and cooking tapioca pearls until chewy, then make a brown sugar syrup. Combine tea and milk, sweeten with syrup, add pearls, and shake with ice for a frothy finish. Taste and adjust sweetness or milk type. Keep it casual, and I'll walk you through timing and texture tips to nail the perfect cup. For chewy tapioca pearls, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add the pearls slowly while stirring. Cook vigorously for the first 10 minutes, then lower heat and simmer until translucent with a soft center. Turn off heat and let them sit covered for a short rest. Drain and immediately coat in brown sugar syrup to infuse sweetness and keep them from sticking while you finish the drink. Chill your brewed tea before mixing to maintain bold flavor when shaken with ice. Add chilled tea, milk of choice, and brown sugar syrup into a shaker with ice and shake until frothy and cool. Spoon pearls into the bottom of a glass, strain the shaken mixture over them, and top with extra ice if desired. Give it a gentle stir so the pearls, tea, and milk mingle into a satisfying bubble tea experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.